up, YouTube? It's your girl Tamara Denise here, back with another video. Today I am bringing you this quick hair tutorial. Girl, pop this ponytail on and hit the door, okay? Because that's what I'm about to do. This hair I got from the beauty supply store for, guess how much? $12. Yes, look at it. $12, honey. So I'm going to show you how I achieved this look. Keep watching. So the hair I'll be using today is by Organique Pony Pro in the style Yaky Straight 32 inches. This was literally $12 in the beauty supply store. So this is one of those in-between times when your appointment is coming up, but you need a quick hairstyle to get cute with. Here you go. This is the hair fresh out the pack. Not too bad. I'll probably end up cutting this piece out just so it doesn't show. This hair on the end is what you'll use to wrap around your ponytail. So let's get started. So I just put my hair in a tiny bun, as small as I can get it, so that we'll have something for this hair to hold on to. So I'm gonna start with this piece, and I'm gonna stick it under here and then secure it with a bobby pin. We don't need this thing coming out. I would recommend getting the skinny wide bobby pins, but I don't have those today, so we're gonna make this work. And just wrap it around the bun. As tight as you can get it. And then secure it with another bobby pin. Bobby pin number 3. Okay, so now we're going to take this end piece that I showed you earlier and use this to wrap around our ponytail. So as you wrap it, spray it with some Got To Be Free spray. And just wrap it around your ponytail. freeze spray will literally hold that ponytail on. For some $12 hair, it's not too bad. And there you have it. All done. So the color hair I got was 2. I was kind of hesitant because I normally get 1B, but the lady in the store convinced me to get 2. And it looks pretty good actually. And this hair can take heat. So you can use your flat iron, get a good press, but this doesn't really need it. And just use your Got2b glue freeze spray to lay down those flyaways. This is the end result. Not bad. This is definitely a quick style when you're on the go and you need something. Just throw this on, girl. Just throw it on. I probably will get a curly one, more like Yaky texture to match my real hair. When I bought this, I had a silk press. So I was like, okay, towards the end of my silk press, when I don't want to wear it out anymore, I'm gonna throw this ponytail on. So it was straight on straight. But now my waves are starting to come back. So my next one will be like a curly wavy texture so it can match my roots. But this will definitely hold me over for tonight. Okay guys, that concludes my quick hair tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can be keeping up with Mara. Thanks guys.